Thank you for joining in, and I have a quick mini review today. We have some more markers from Grabie. There's more than one item in here, but you can subscribe and check back for more reviews. For today, we're going to do this one. So these are the 24 glitter markers. They do have a fine tip. And you can use these on a wide variety of surfaces. And if you're new to paint markers with these particular ones, you're going to shake them up a little bit and then press down on the point, and then you'll see the paint flow come down. So again, we have a nice variety of colors there, and there's a couple coloring sheets that are also included here. So this would be really great for a Christmas gift as well, like a small stocking stuffer. Or if you're someone who's into card making, these would really come in handy because they have that little bit of the glitter and shimmer on there too. So a little bit different than your standard paint marker. And it does say that they're quick drying, water-based, UV resistant. So we have a few different sheets here with some fun different pictures, different themes. There's summer, Christmas, some sweet treats. So you can see the white tip there. And like I mentioned before, we're just going to shake it up a little bit and then press down a few times, and then the flow will come right out. But you do have to do it with each individual one. So I would recommend just getting a little scrap sheet, and then you can test out all your colors. And as you can see there, they are nice and opaque. And then after they dry, some of that little glare will go away. Some of them were just a little bit wet. We'll start off with a little cake demo here up in the corner. I'm going to use a few of the pinks, the gold color, and a little bit of the red. Here you can see the ones off and to the left are a little bit more dry than that little matcha one. And yeah, overall, I think that these are really fun to use, especially if you're someone who likes arts and crafts, or again, just for a nice little Christmas gift. And I will leave a link down below.